Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to split text between using old school. Why? One, you should learn it. Two, it's a backup. Three, it's a good arsenal. In other words, you're going to run into a situation where perhaps the newer tools conflict with this traditional method, and the traditional method is a cleaner approach. I'm not going to break this stuff down. I want you to do it. There is a long narrative here that will walk you through this. What are we doing? We're showing text between parentheses, then numbers between parentheses. Here we have parentheses. We're going to show everything within the parentheses, excluding the parentheses. Then we're going to break this apart and just show the numbers. How do we do it? We're going to use mid. You're going, what the hell is mid? The previous tutorial, I touched on search, and I did a lot on substitute. Here we're using mid, a great tool, really is. And then we have this search. And once you get a grasp of the search, you're going to go, that's a piece of cake. But understanding what mid's doing, you're not going to be able to get because the weakness here in this Microsoft 365, I can't break this thing down. The beauty of Excel 2021, the desktop version, allows me to break this down so I can see where mid has its requirements, which are text, start number, and number of characters. And I want to be able to see that. And all I had to do before was click it, and I could see it simple enough. Then I could see the data. This pathetic 365 won't allow you to do it. So I encourage you, if you have the desktop version of either Excel 365 or 2021, to move this data over there where you can do what you can manipulate, or you can read this information by hitting F9, and it will source or produce the respective inputs. Can't do it here. This may be available on the desktop versions, but I'm not holding my breath. With that being said, old school, you can shrug it off if you want. I encourage you to incorporate it into your tool chests. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.